So parents, we wanted to share with you one of the basic lessons that we do in the Montessori classroom, but one that we think is super important because it helps the child develop hand strength and also focus and concentration. And this is a lesson that you can do with easy household items. And you can fill the container with something that is small and easy to pour. As the child gets better at the pouring, you can have the items get smaller and smaller. So as you can see here, I have popcorn in my container that I'm going to pour from one container to the other. Now, invariably, your child may make a spill when they go to start practicing this work. And if that happens, no problem. You just encourage the child to help clean it up. If they resist at first, offer to help them to do that and work together to clean up the mess. And as they get more used to the lesson, they'll start working on cleaning it up on their own. That's why we encourage you to start with larger objects with smaller children and less experienced children, and then work down to a small object like the popcorn. So if they spill, no problem. There's no shame in that. Just have them clean it up and start again, and just encourage them that that's why they need a lot of practice. So dry object pouring is one of the suggestions that we send home for you to work on as an easy at-home lesson.